Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video, we will be designing a Nigeria independence flag. First thing you have to do is to create a new document. Click on create new and you change the name to Nigeria. Make sure your width and height are 10 by 10 inches. Resolution of 300, RGB color and 8-bit. Then the background to be white. Alright, the first thing I'll be adding here are the images I'm going to use. I have all the images saved in the folder. The first image I'll be adding is the map of Nigeria. Now I have the map imported. To remove the background, you have to rasterize the layer. You can do that by right clicking on the layer and you click on rasterize layer. Once you are done with this, select your magic eraser tool and you click on the background. Now we have the background deleted. I would like to remove this as well. Select your rectangular selection tool and you select. Click delete. Let's centralize this. I will be changing the blend mode of this map from normal to luminosity. Once you change the blend mode, reduce the opacity to about 10% or less than 10%. Alright, let's add the next image. To remove the unwanted side, rasterize the layer as well. And you pick your rectangle selection tool, select the area and click delete. As you can see, the image is having a background. To remove this background, select your magic eraser tool as we did earlier. Then click on the background. Now we have only this. Now let's add a green gradient background to this place. To do that, it's very easy. Just pay full attention and avoid distraction. We'll be using pen tool for this. Select a pen tool and follow the procedure. Make selection 0, then you click OK. Once you select this area, come to select, then you click on inverse. After selecting the inverse, come to edit and you select fill. Just choose color and you select any color of your choice. Now we have this. Next thing I'll be doing is to changing this color to gradient color. You can do that by clicking on this, then you go to blending option and to gradient overlay. Now let's open blend option for Nigeria. The first thing I'll be adding is stroke. Now the stroke size 6, and then this to outside and the color. Now to gradient overlay. Now I would like to add Nigeria coat of arm here. Holding Shift and Alt key, then you reduce the size. Can make this bigger a little bit. Alt and Shift key. Now we have this. Let's make some little adjustments. Add a drop shadow to this as well. Just reduce the opacity to about 10% or any of your picture size. Let's make this off. Okay, now we are at 20. Then change the degree to about 80 degrees. Let's just increase this. Now we have this. Then we click OK. And now it's ready for saving. To save this, just come to File, Export As. You have this. Just change this to JPEG and make sure this is great. Once you have this, just export. Now let's check what we have designed. Now we have it. This you can see Nigeria 62. Let's check the difference. This and this. You can see the slight difference. If you find this video helpful and you really want to appreciate, kindly like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.